Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Teacher Jay from Kangaroo Study. Now in today's video, we'll be talking about the remainder problem. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the question. Cindy had some pears. When she packed them in bags of 9, she had 3 pears left. When she packed them in bags of 5, she was short of 1 pear. What was the smallest possible number of pears that Cindy had? Okay, to better understand this question, let's take a look at the condition one by one. In the first condition, it says she packed them in bags of 9. She had 3 pears left. What does that mean? That means if she has a number of bags that has 9 pears in each bag, in the end, there will be 3 extra pears. So that also means this number of pears when divided by 9. What should the remainder be? The remainder should be this number 3. Now, in the second condition, when she packed it in bags of 5, she was short of 1 pear. And what does that mean? That means if you have some number of 5 here, in the end, what should be the extra number? Is it 1? Let's take a closer look here. It means short of 1, so that is 1 less than 5. What is a number that is 1 less than 5? Number 4. So this number is actually 4. So that means number, when divided by 5, the remainder here is 4. Alright, so now we are trying to find out the smallest possible number that satisfies both of these two conditions. How can we find out? Now, it's very simple. We pick one condition first, and then we list down some possibilities, and then we use another condition to check. For example, we pick the first condition here. Number divided by 9, remainder is 3. Then we check with another condition. Now, if we pick the first condition, this number, when divided by 9, the remainder should be 3. What is the first number that satisfies this condition? The first number, it should be, if we have no 9 and if we have only 1 3. So the number here, it should be 3. Then we need to verify what? The number, when divided by 5, we also have a remainder of 4. Now, this number 3, when divided by 5, it equals to 3 and the remainder is 2. Does this satisfy our condition? No! So I'll put a cross sign here. Then, let's take a look at another number. What is the next number after it? After the 3, we get 1 9 and an extra 3. So the sum here is 12. Then, what should we do? We need to verify for this 12. When divided by 5, we have a remainder of 4. 12 divided by 5 equals to 2. Remainder is 2. So no, this does not satisfy our condition. What about the next number? Next, we have 2 9 and 1 3. The sum here, it should be 21. The next that we should do is to verify 21 divided by 5 equals to 4. The remainder is 1. Does this satisfy our condition? No again. So let me put a cross sign here. What is the next number? Now let's observe. From 3 to 12, we're adding how many? We're adding 9 here. Now from 12 to 21, we're also adding 9. So what can we tell from this pattern? To find out the next number, you only need to add an extra 9. So now, can you tell me what is the next number? You add 21 with 9. So the next number, it should be 30. Then we verify. 30 when divided by 5 equals to 6 and the remainder is 0. Is this our answer? No again. So let me cross it out. And what is the next number after 30? 30 plus 9 equals to 39. So the next number here, it should be 39. Now let's verify. 39 when divided by 5, will it give us a remainder as 4? Equals to 7 and the remainder is 4. Look at what we find out! So 39, it is the first number that satisfies these two conditions, and it is the smallest number. So that means 39 is the answer we want, and we find it out. But of course, some of you may wonder, in this case we start from 9. Can we also start from 5? Of course you can! So let's take a look. What happens if we start from 5? Now, if you start from the second condition, this number, when divided by 5, it has a remainder of 4. What is the first number that satisfies this condition? It is number 4, because we don't have 5 and we have only one 4. Now, this number is 4. We need to verify this number when divided by 9. Will it give us a remainder as 3? Now, 4 divided by 9, it equals to 0 and the remainder is 4. Does this satisfy our constraint? No, it does not. So let me cross it out. Then what's the next number after 4? Next, we have 1, 5 and 1, 4. So the sum here, it should be 9. Now 9, when divided by 9, it gives us 1, the remainder is 0. So again, it does not satisfy our constraint. Then, you see, from 4 to 9, we add a 5. So from 9 to the next one, similarly, you add an extra 5. Similarly to the previous case. Now, 9 plus 5 equals to 14. So this is the next number. Now let's verify. 14 when divided by 9 equals to 1. The remainder is 5. Does this satisfy our condition? No. So again, let me cross it out. What is the next number after 14? The next number, it should be 14 plus 5 equals to 19. Now let's verify. For 19, when divided by 9, equals to 2 and the remainder is 1. Does this satisfy our condition? Again, no. So let me cross it out. What is the next number after 19? That is 24. Then what should we do? 24 when divided by 9 it equals to 2 and the remainder it should be 6. Again, no. The next number? Next number it should be 24 plus 5 equals to 29. Now 29 divided by 9 equals to 3 and the remainder is 2. Does this satisfy our condition? No. Again, I cross it out. The next number should be 29 plus 5 equals to 34. 34 when divided by 9 equals to 3 and the remainder it should be 7. Again, not the answer we want. The next number after 34 is 34 plus 5 equals to 39. Now 39 when divided by 9 it equals to 4 and the remainder should be 3. Does this satisfy our condition? Yes! The remainder here is finally 3, and we find out this 39. So you see, if you start from 9 or start from 5, you get the same result as 39. Now, which method do you choose normally? Normally, we'll choose to start from the larger number, the larger divisor. Because you see, if you start from 9 here, you only need 5 choice. But if you start from 5, you need 8 times of choice. So normally we'll start from the condition that with a larger divisor. Alright, and we find out the answer to this question. Let's do a quick summary for this question. This question is called the remainder problem because you are given some conditions that has a remainder. If you encounter this problem, you first pick the larger divisor and you list down some possibilities. Then you use another condition to check the number. So in summary, in the remainder problem, you first list down from larger divisor, then you check another constraint. And that's it for this question. If you understand this, take a look at a very similar question over here. If you have solved this question and want to check out the answer, feel free to scan this QR code and join our WhatsApp group. And if you like this video, Make sure to click the button below and subscribe to our channel. With that, it's time to say goodbye. I'm Teacher Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!